Hey there, here's your next installment of how to use my smartphone. We're going to turn it on again down here. It's going to come up with Jacob's precious little face. We're actually going to go straight to the camera app. So we're going to swipe up from that camera icon in the corner. This brings the camera app. I'll turn the camera around so that it uses this little camera up here. You can see my finger.
What button do you push to change the camera?
You change the camera from the front-facing camera, the one that faces your face, to the back-facing camera using this button here. This button here just toggles between the two cameras. We'll pick this up and show you. There's my little hand. And then you click this button, and now you're seeing the back end of your phone. So we'll click it back. This little icon here is for your gallery, but there are no pictures or video taken with this phone since the last time it was locked. And technically it's still locked. You can't access your photos or videos until you've unlocked your phone. So we're going to click this little center icon there, and that's it for this video.